I'm happy to hear mother say she want hood in her body wall. You don't even think about the youth school life. When some man, when him turn all teenager and some youth are card him, and I make him bumbuckle at school life hard. And him just say, oh, them a bully me. I want to kill himself and them think that I take drugs and them think that. You know, some idiot mother, you know, no waste, you know. You know, if you like me, you go suck on no mother. I want to know. Pussy hole, yo. All some girl no fi breed a bumbuckle in a dog. Dog, me no want no man a laugh to like, dog. I don't know, me nah look no cloth in the dog, me nah look no glory in a brother. All them is so selfish, I think about themselves. And pump tell you them in a road, they think them can card them and chat to them man. I'm gonna say, boy, go in now. Your mother go do batty man, show you a batty boy to you know. Your father got a batty boy, be a disrespect how come from them thing. Look at Spice son now, Nicholas. Why got when him go to school? You know why go to school? You think you go in a classroom with their pitney? You think you go in a school with their pitney brethren? You think you go in a classroom with their pitney brethren? What the fuck you do? You not go in a classroom with their pitney. When you have some little face to pitney like when Foota did little. As me look, me a card you, me a rub your heart. I wanna bring down them burden upon the youth brethren. Fuck you not do, man. Yo, dog, that you don't even know, dog. Some girl too selfish forget youth, man. Some girl not think about them pitney future. And the happiness of them youth going to school in environment with other kids. Yeah, make your pitney life hard. When your pitney go out in the regular world, I'm gonna use your dirty, stinking life and behavior and tear down the youth them. Oh, nah, bumbuckler pre them thing there. Now the youth at Google and you tell Angela Yee about take down video. If Angela Yee even take down the fucking video, it not have nothing to do with it because it's in the algorithm already. Roger can go Google that anyway. Little Nas X are the biggest batty man in the world. My baby mother gonna link up with Little Nas X. And a son you have. It's a son you have, you know. It's not even a daughter you have, you know. You have to look for my son and say, hey, make sure you never even look like not over that side that you be the man they even know say she did that, you know. Angel have a son in her youth. Spice have a son in her. Pampete have 2 sons in her. Only thing that me, we attack on for business, boy. And boy, Foota chat too much and way. And me have to eat my food. So anything where you pick me, only not think about you. You don't know one man for respect on as woman and go on woman empowerment. We don't not destroy the future of the youth them. Just for your views, just for little clout, just for say you're in a big league. Look how shenseea look like a big duppy bat now. I tell the woman about management was reaching out to her to move the video. Why you do it in the first place?